Just got my dog back. She's so excited to come back because we thought she was bored at our house, but when we took her back to adoption, she got really depressed, and we just got her back. Oh, man, I missed her so much. You don't know. I missed her so much. God. No, Slice, no. Can't go through there. No, mamas. I'll have to tell him about that. Go. That's my baby. That's my baby. We're gonna give her a bath. We just got her back. She's really stinky. She probably hasn't had a bath. Had her bath. She's using the restroom. She's dropping them turds. Well, we miss them. We miss. She just uniting to the house because she missed it. She's marking her territory back there. I'm sorry. I love you. You ready to go inside, girl? Come on, mama. Let's take a bath. Let's go. Yeah, my mom just got her back.
I'm recording.
Spice, come here, girl. Come here. We're gonna do it in the shower again. Alright, that's the video. Just gonna have her take a bath. And thanks for joining me in the video. Bye.